Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. A two-star Sudoku in additional. Not in today's newspaper. Today is actually the first Easter Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. It's the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, April the 8th, 2023. I have already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic with 1 star and the Sudoku with 2 stars. Let me start with this one. One will be number 6252. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, the one in this column, the one in the second column, so the fifth column, the only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. See here, one, this one, no one there, one should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the one should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. You see 1 in this column, no one there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. Alright, and now 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, and look with 4 and a 5 in this row. No 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Then we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so no row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, here an 8 in that column, no 8 there, so the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1, 1, okay, 7, 4, 4, we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3, 7, 9, 8. Come on. 6, 8, 4, 4, 4. 5, 3, 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the mid columm, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, second row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there, so 2 missing numbers now in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, and 8 are missing. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Here we have an 8. Okay, so 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2, 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this first row, no 2 in these two boxes here, 2 in the middle column, no 2 in that box, so 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 9, 9, 6, 7, 7, 6, need 6 here. Okay. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. These 3 missing numbers in the second row, the 1, 2, 3 is missing here, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and then 9. 6, 9 and 6, 9, 6, 9 and 3. This box should be also 6, 9. Yeah. Here should be the 7 missing. Here, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay. 1 is missing, 7 is missing, and 6 is missing. Yeah. Well, the 999. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4, could be here, could be there. Right, 3, 1, 5, 8, 9. Come on. 2, 2, 2. 8, 8. Yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. Okay. 8, 6, 9, 4. Need a 7 here. Come on. 7, 7, 7. 2, 2, 2. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 7, 2, and the 4. We have a 7, 2, and a 4 in this row, so no 7, 2, and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 2 and the 4 goes in those 3 boxes. 7, 2, and a 4. 7, 2, and a 4. 7, 2, and a 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. So this box can be a 6. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Okay. 7, 3, and a 4. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row we above. The only 2 places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. Need a 4 there. 7, 2, and need a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the first, in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. So the 7 and the 2 are missing here. Okay. 7, 2. 3, 5, 5, 6. Okay, 3, 5. Need a 6 here. No 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 in these two boxes. The 6 could be here, could be there. 6, 6, 6. The 9 is missing. The 4 is missing. 4, 9, and the 7 is missing here. Well. 3. Can it be a 3, 5, 6? 2, 2, 2. Come on, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5. Here, need a 5. Need a 5 there. 7 and a 2. 7 and a 2. Need a 9 here. 6. 7 and a... Oh, 7 and a 2. Well, we have a 2 here. So this box should be 7. That box should be a 2 then. One box left here for the number 6, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. So 6 or the 9 here. Well, we have a 6 there, so this box should be 9. That box should be 7 then. One box left in the first row for number 9. So here can be a 9. Okay. So here we have a 6 and a 3. 6 and a 3. Here, 6. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. Come on, 3, 5, 7. No. 2 and the 4 are missing here. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. So those two missing numbers should be the 6 and the 7. 7. Here, 7. 7 and the 6. 7. 8 should be here also. 2, 7. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. We have a 2 and an 8 in this column. So this box should be a 7 then. So the 2 and the 8 are left here. Okay. 3 and a 6. 1, 2, 3. 3, 6, 4. No. 3, 6. 5 is missing and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 3, 6, 5, 9. Well, we have 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so no row above, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Come on. 3. No 3 there, 3. 8, 2. 7. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the middle column overlooked. So this box should be a 2 and that box should be a 4. So we have 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, the 9, 4, 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3, 5, 6. 5, 6, and the 8. 5, 6, and the 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 and the 7 are missing. 4, 4. Need a 4, yeah. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the last column, no 4 there, here 4 in that column, no 4, there's the only place left for the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8, we have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 3 and a 6, 7 and a 6, 2, 2, 2. 7, 6 and a 3, 7, 6 and a 3, 7. Well, we need a 7 in this row. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 6 are left here. So here we have a pair, 3 and a 6. So the other pair should be the 5 and the 9 are missing here. 5 and the 9. Okay, 3 and a 6. So here 5, 3 and a 6. Okay, here 2 missing numbers. The 5 and the 7 are missing. Well, need a 7 here. No, we have a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6 are missing here. 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So 3 and the 6 are left now. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 there, so this box should be 3. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 now, so this box should be 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 5 or the 9. 5 or the 9, okay. 7 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. 5 or a 9, this box. We have a 9 there, so this box should be a 5. 5 or a 9. We have a 5 here in this column, so this box should be a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5, 5, 5, and the last number in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, finishing 17 minutes. Well, told you, need 15 to 20 minutes, definitely at 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later for that last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.